my god, is somebody saying help? It might be a meow. Like a cat? Maybe it's a tree frog. Oh, no, it's a cat. Oh, that is a really fat cat. Oh, is this Case? I mean, he has an orange birthmark on his face. We got to Widow Chunkos. What the hell is this supposed to be? A mummy? I'm gonna poke it. Oh, it's just a prop. Anyways, I have to get this good boy back to the reception. So should I get back in the minecart? Dude, what was the... There was something Did you see that? There's something standing behind one of these. Oh, no.